Today we are at the Hampton Inn by Hilton in beautiful California. We are in Monterey Bay, my friends, and right across from the In-N-Out Burger. So if we want to grab a quick bite, because we played all day, it is there. And look at this beautiful, beautiful lobby. They have free breakfast every day, beautiful lounge. They've got food if you don't want to go out in the evening. And let's take a look at our room. We are up on the third floor. Right down the hall is our ice machine on every floor. So that makes it convenient. It's near the elevator, but right around the bend from it. And in our room, we have an interesting floor plan. I'll show you the garage later. We're actually, the first floor doesn't have any rooms. It's the second and third floor that has all of the rooms. And we've got a nice shower. We have the Zero products. Love the artwork. My friends, I want to see where this is taken, maybe in the beautiful aquarium. Now, the aquarium is pricey. It's $65 per adult. And we've got the box of soap. We have the hand lotion, all the amenities, blow dryer right under the sink here, and some extra supplies. So our bathroom is nice, bright. Oh, and the water pressure. I wish it was a little bit stronger, but it did get hot for me. Very nice. So that shouldn't be a problem. We've got a closet here. We've got the two little pull-out stands that I love for putting the luggage on. We've got ice bucket, nice desk. Lots of lamps around the room, and we've got the charge stations, looks like one on each of the lamps. And the windows don't really have a view. I'll show you that momentarily, but love this little settee with the table here. That is very inviting. Some more pictures for the art in the room. Really, really love the kelp forest around here and the fish. It's all about the water around here, but we're still going to see the redwood trees. We've got the USB port, two electrical ports. I found these electrical ports to be very loose. So you might want to still have an extension cord to get a strong connection, because if you're on a CPAP machine, overnight breather machine, you might want to make sure it doesn't come undone in the night. We've got the clock, the phone, more electricity on the lamp on this side. And look at that beautiful room. This is a king-size bed, very, very comfy. Underneath the television set, we've got cabinets that open up into some nice drawer space. And there we go. We are here for the next several nights, so hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to take you on a tour of the rest of the hotel momentarily here, but I want to make sure that you don't miss all of the excursions and the excitement. We have a rental car, so we are going at will and having fun. We've got a whaling boat ride coming up. We have 17-mile drive, and this is my view out the window. So again, we've got the interstate right up there over the hill. It's really hard to see. It's dark now. I'm getting the reflection from the lights, but I did want to show you what you'll see. And you see a little bit of the pillars the hotel is up on, and breakfast, my friends. A little bit better than some of the Hamptons I've been to. The breads are very fresh. You've got your typical muffins here. You've got the oatmeal. You've got all the fixings for the oatmeal to make the waffles. Every day they give you a different kind of egg, different kind of meat, usually a potato. The fruit here is kept full and it is fresh. Oranges, apples, bananas. Cereals and juices. They have the cranberry that I love. They have the orange juice. They have the water infused and the plain water. So nice overall breakfast for the Hampton hotels. Very pretty. And we're going to take a tour around the rest of the hotel. And my friends, hit that subscribe. We are within miles of 17-mile drive, the butterflies, the sea lions, everything you can imagine here with the beautiful Monterey beaches and the activities, even redwood trees just 40 minutes north, 40 minutes south. we have the perfect location, a little weight room here, which is really nice. There's no weights, but there's the treadmills, the stair stepper here, the bicycle. It is a very nice space to get your miles in if you're here on a work vacation. But I'm telling you, you get outdoors, you start exploring, you're going to hit your steps, you're going to double your steps. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye.